Manual adjustment of the load plan. Let's start with the load calculation. Items D in blue weren't loaded because of items A in red, which are non-stackable. Therefore, we'll adjust the load plan manually. Left-click on an item to select it. The usable area for placing the item is highlighted in green. Click again, and the item will be moved to the new location. Keep in mind that during manual load adjustment, no constraints are active. This allows you to move items however you want, even placing items on top of those set to do not stack. Let's say items A, which are in red, are light enough despite the set constraints, so they can be stacked on top of each other. When you move an item, it automatically snaps to the nearest cargo item. If you don't like this feature, you can turn it off or restore it here. For now, we'll remove the item from the load plan. You can do this either with this button or by pressing the delete key. If you'd like to remove all items from the load plan, click this button. Then you can create the entire load plan manually. In the resulting list of cargo items, you can see that item A has been removed. Now we'll move items D. To rotate an item, right-click on it and use the displayed arrows to rotate the object in the desired direction. If the item's border is red, it means the item cannot be placed this way. To switch from rotation mode back to move mode, right-click again. Now place the item in its new location with a left click. To save you time, we'll speed up this part of moving the blue items. You can add cargo that hasn't been loaded yet by clicking the black arrow in the resulting list of cargo items. Now all the blue items are placed, and we can return the last red item, item A, to the load plan. As you can see, it fits nicely right here. Now you know how to use manual load adjustment to improve the final calculation. Thank you for watching. To learn more about the EasyCargo application, check out our other tutorial videos.